If you are encountering the Dxgkrnl fatal error on your Windows system, there are a few steps we can take to resolve this. First, let us address the display drivers. Open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, look for the Display Adapters section and expand it. You will see your graphics card listed there. Right-click on the first driver listed and select Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for drivers. Repeat this process for any other display drivers that may be listed. Next, we will ensure your Windows system is up to date. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. Allow Windows to download and install any available updates. Finally, we will perform a system file check to ensure no critical system files are corrupted. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.